all packed up. We were gonna stay at a hotel for $100 a night. We reserved a room. They were smoking weed in the hotel, so we couldn't stay there. Online said available. Hotel wasn't available, so we pulled in here at 2 o'clock in the morning, and I thought I'd show you what a $225 a night room looks like. Yeah, at least they tile it to the ceiling, which is a drop ceiling, and got a cheap faucet set and a $225 a night Holiday Inn. And it screws loose like usual. Yeah. And they went past the tub, which is also nice. I just don't know why they don't go all the way around the corner and put ceramic tile everywhere. Why would you want to have wallpapered areas when you could put ceramic tile and be done with it? And I was at a rest stop last night, driving back from Toronto, and there was a sign saying, "Don't blow your nose or wash your feet in the sink," I swear to God. But this sink faucet kind of sticks out a little far. And I was trying to wash my feet last night. I was too tired to take a shower and they don't fit in quite all the way. We got a double roll of toilet paper, but they should have mounted this backwards so when you pull it, it doesn't come off the little hooky here. And we've got a contract toilet that doesn't have a hydraulically damped seat. So when you drop the $10 plastic toilet seat, bang.
Thank you.
And when you flush the toilet, you bang your head into the towel rack, which I just did. Clunk. Right there, see? Clunk. And what else we got here? We got a brass handle set that looks like it came from Big Lots. And one outlet all the way at the other end. And no outlet there by the toilet, so you can drop the hairdryer into the toilet. And the plug is not worn out, which is kind of strange. You got a hairdryer and an electric thermostat for the heater behind the door. Bathrooms should always have blower heaters and not mounted to the toilet. We've got our usual discussion plate, which I never use, and it's mounted half on the wallpaper and half on the ceramic tile, which is edged in a nice metal edge. Cheap gauge plumbing that rots away. How's that one doing? Probably rotted away, and more discussion plates to come off the pipe and dangle. Room review. Holiday Inn, $225 a night. Kind of you. And the beds are nothing special. It's got a little wire here.
They're very comfortable.
Yeah, but there's a wire here that goes all the way around. It only has a couple layers of padding on it, so when you sit down on the edge, you get a wire in your leg. A thick wire that's got rope wrapped around it. A $5 clock radio and a receptacle for one device. So if you've got two adults sleeping here, or two whomevers, you and your pet llama, no light on that side, so only the person lying on this side gets a light, and you can't aim it at yourself, so if you're lying here, that person's going to have your lights or vice versa. These are firm from the farm. Firm from the farm. Got a bargain basement TV, which we don't watch. Got a fridge that's sitting on the floor, so when you open it, hits your foot. Fridge should be mounted on a pedestal.
Complain.
Well, I've got to get this all figured out.
Complain.
For $225, it's all right. We're in Chinatown, in Montreal.
We gotta go.
Gotta hit the road, Jack. Oh, the window's open. Look at that. You can get some fresh air, but you can't turn off the circulation system. It just blows and blows and blows. Nice breakfast, that was for sure. Full buffet, all the meat you can eat. We're going to Super C. Get some deals. Thanks for watching.